Hello, Kryptonauts. I'm William Woody. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am just here to show you the cool stuff I come across. And today, what I'm here to talk to you about is Pipito. Now, the first thing, before we get into Pipito, we gotta talk about Pepe and how its price is on the up and up yet again. Now, Pepe kind of already had its time to shine long ago in December of 24. It hit crazy high. It got its massive run, so if you bought in its starting phase, its pre-sale back in May of 2023, and you held it, staked it until 12/24, then you are sitting pretty right now, and it might have just made a life-changing amount of money for you. But it's on the way up again, so it's already a large meme coin. It's established, it relies on hype, community, it's all there. Now, it does not have technology or optimization. Potentially, it could rise up to 10x again. Now, that's best case scenario in an extremely strong market. Might happen. But even that, for that to happen, a 10x increase, that's going to require a really strong overall market and some massive capital, which may or may not happen. What I want to transition to here is Pipito. Pipito is a project created by one of the original Pepe founders. So, in there on the ground floor, he built it, helped build it. He was there in its phases, and he was in there for the ride of Pepe. Now, he saw some issues with Pepe, namely the lack of technology and optimization. And he created Pipito to fill in for some of the deficits, some of the things he saw that were lacking in Pepe. And he is offering safe meme coin trading, a zero-fee swap, a cross-chain bridge, and this is built for the next era of crypto and regulation. Now, this whole ecosystem that is set up here runs on the Pipito token. That is set up to create constant demand over time, so the Pipito token price will eventually explode. Let's take some looks at the white paper here. They've got a delightful backstory and mythology. I'll let you look at all that as you like. Links are in the description. Right, so they've created this vision with all these wonderful things. This ecosystem set up, the precision, the utility, the infrastructure, long-term design. They've got all that set in there for you. It's on the roadmap. It's something you can look to. So, if you are keen to buy Pipito, just go over to pepito.io. That is Pepeto.io. And at the top right here, you'll see the buy token. You connect your wallet, whichever one you've got. You buy it with Ethereum, USDT, or card, or BNB. You got plenty of ways to get it, plenty of ways to buy it. And there you will have it, and you got your way. Now, we are still in the pre-sale, which means staking is an opportunity. You can put it in there, you can hold it rather than sell it, and watch it grow, compound interest, all of that good stuff. So, again, we got a contrast and comparison here. Pepe, you could invest in them. But realistically, the best case scenario is around 10x market cap from this point. Now, that would be a major move considering it already has some significant size and market cap. You know, you look at a big tree, it'll get bigger, but it's not all that much bigger. Pepeto is still currently at low market cap, low entry price. Real utility is back in the project, and it's still in the pre-sale stage. This is still a seed. You think about a big tree, how much bigger it's going to get versus the seed it drops from a big tree. That seed has a lot more growth potential. Pepe's largest gains occurred during the earliest discovery phase, and that's where Pipito is right now. Later participants experienced very different risk and reward profiles. Early stages projects can offer greater volatility. That goes both up and down, but this is looking like it could really go up. Now, we are still in the pre-sale. It's the chance to get in on the ground floor. This is put together, this ground floor, by an experienced founder tied to Pepe's early success. There's strong focus on tech and optimization, not just hype. Now, this growing ecosystem is designed to generate real usage and volume, and future listings are expected to accelerate price discovery. If Pipito reaches Pepe's all-time high valuation, that would imply big returns from the current levels. Pepe reached its peak mainly on hype and community. Now, Pipito has all of that, but it combines that same frog culture plus utility. And that is what analysts believe gives it even more upside potential. Now, further upward potential would depend on overall market conditions. Strong market cycles historically benefit from large meme coins, but with increased volatility and risks. So this looks like it could be one of the biggest projects to look out for this year. Historically, early buyers get exposed to the biggest returns alongside the biggest risks, so you got to weigh that out. And this may just be the last window to enter before the project launch. So, check out these links. Take a look. Get your own feel for it. See how strong you think it's going to be, and you might just get in on the ground floor of something you don't want to miss. Check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.